Hey there, this is Jill coming to you from the Homestead Kitchen, talking about abundant living through really easy cooking. Sometimes people think that you gotta have a recipe or homemade food is so complex, and I'm here to tell you it's not. I'm making soup for supper tonight, and I thought I would show you just exactly how simple this can be. Today we had roast beef for lunch, and this is how easy it is. You have your main meal at lunch, especially on weekends when you're able to do a little more cooking and maybe set yourself up for the week. Make something really good for lunch when your body is fully able to digest it and is really prepared, and then you're going to go out and work it off the rest of the day. So if you're concerned about weight control or energy, you're not going to bog your system down. Have your meat, have your potatoes if you want, or whatever you're going to have, and then save it. When I'm going to turn lunch into a soup for supper, I don't even put it away after the meal because it's really this simple. This is the meat broth from the roast beef. Sometimes I'll just use this. This is not a bone broth. Not a bone broth. So if you're looking for that, this is just really flavored water, which is great if that's all you want. If you're wanting bone broth, this is a bone broth I made. It's thick and gelatinous, and that'll have a lot more nutrition for you. But you don't have to make it complicated. This is super easy, right? So I have my meat broth. These are vegetables from this weekend, and this is how easy it is. I did wash my hands, but we're just gonna put it in the pot. And that's pretty much all there is to soup. Add some salt, some pepper, and warm it all up together for a little while. You're good to go until you're ready to eat. Soup making is that easy. If you want to make stew, you just add some cornstarch or flour and thicken up your broth. If you want to hide vegetables in your soup, this is your friend. Or you put it in your blender and blend it, mix it all together. I'm getting dirty looks off camera right now. It's a great way to make a cream soup, make it a little thicker, and hide vegetables that people might not otherwise eat. But if they don't see them, who's to know? So that's soup making. Easy, homemade food is simple to prepare. You can use the things that are in your refrigerator already, make them into something new, put a little bread with it, and it's economical and healthy and quick. All good things coming from your Homestead Kitchen. Have an abundant day.